In 1804, the world population was 1 billion people. In 123 years, human population figures doubled to 2 billion, but it took only 47 years for the population to double again to 4 billion. Demographic predictions anticipate a worldwide population of about 9 billion people by 2050. This massive increase in the human population will have significant effects on animal and plant populations. As human population density increases, pressure on other organisms will increase, and we'll witness a reduction of habitats, an increase in invasive species, and increases in species extinctions. Limits to human population growth may be density dependent or density independent. Density-dependent factors limit population growth because of the number of individuals in the area, whereas density-independent factors limit population growth primarily because of environmental stresses, such as earthquakes, hurricanes, and other natural disasters. Changes in human populations are not evenly spread throughout the world because limiting factors differ in different parts of the world. For example, in many developed countries, birth rates are declining and lifespans are increasing because of advances in medical technology. However, in developing countries, lack of access to birth control may continue to increase populations. Other factors that affect the demographics of humans include population density, age-sex ratios, and immigration/emigration. For example, in two large migrations from 1916 through 1970, more than 6 million African Americans moved from rural southern states to cities in the northern, western, and midwestern United States in search of better working and living conditions. One important demographic variable in a country's growth trend is a country's age structure. Age structure is commonly graphed as pyramids, and they show the relative number of individuals of each age in the population. Such structures are useful in predicting the future growth of a population. Age-sex structures, sometimes referred to as population pyramids, can be broadly categorized into three general patterns: expansive, stationary, and constrictive. Expansive age-sex structures show rapid population growth and tend to represent countries with short life expectancies and high birth rates, such as Afghanistan. Its graph is triangular in shape. Stationary age-sex structures show populations that do not change greatly in their makeup each generation. For example, the United States population is relatively symmetrical until people reach their senior years. Population growth is expected to be fairly slow, as the fertility rate at that point approaches zero. Constrictive age-sex structures reflect countries in which the population is shrinking. For example, in Japan, the age-sex structure shows a small base of young people, which indicates that the country's population is decreasing. Fewer children are born than adults die.